So this is the first question of worksheet 2. You have given set A, B, C, D and you have to calculate A union B, B union C, A union C, A intersection C, D and A intersection B. So in union you are writing the elements of both the sets by combining them, and repetition of the elements are not allowed. And in intersection you are writing those elements which is present in both the sets. So do your first question. First, A union B can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 union. B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So elements of A union B, we are writing the elements of A union B as combining the elements of A and B by keeping the one point in our mind that elements of A union B is not repeated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is your A union B. Second, B union C, similarly you can write B union C. B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Union C, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So when you combine them, you can write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So third, A intersection C. In this set, you are writing the common element of A and C. Your set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection C is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you observe that there is no any element common in A and C. So therefore this is a null set and it is denoted by 5. Now fourth, find A intersection D. A intersection D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection D is 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Again you have no element common, so it is null set, so it is denoted by 5. Now fifth is A intersection B. A intersection B. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have two elements common, that is 4 and 5. So in this way you are writing the elements of A and B in A intersection B as common element, and in union you are writing the elements by combining both of the sets by keeping this important point in our mind that no element is repeated. Now second, second part, verify the following. First, A union B intersection C that is equal to A union B intersection A union C. So you verify this by taking example, and you can verify it by Venn diagram. So I am verifying this with the help of example. Let set A equals to one, two, three, 4, 5. Set B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and C equals to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now you find B intersection C. First of all, evaluate B intersection C because B intersection C is there. So your set B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection C is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Their common elements are 6, 7, 8. Now you find A union B intersection C. Increase the element of A as 5, 6, 7. So A union B intersection C, your set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Union B intersection C is 6, 7, 8. So this implies that your elements of A union B intersection C as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is your LHS. Your LHS is this. You write this is 1. Now you find A union B. A union B can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Union B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you can write A union B as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and similarly find A union C, that is A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, union C is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A union C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now you find the intersection of A union B and A union C. Find intersection of RHS. RHS equal to A union B intersection A union C. That is your A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, intersection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. You find the intersection you find their intersection, means common element. So you can write that is equal to 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 is here. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is common. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is common. So this is A union B, intersection A union C. This is 2. So now you observe 1 and 2. This is your 1 and this is your 2. So from 1 and 2, we get your elements are same, so therefore they are equal sets. You can write A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. So this is the verification of first question. Now, similarly you can verify other questions. Now third part of this. Third part. A intersection B minus C, verify that. Equal to A intersection B minus A intersection C. Solution. Let set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your set B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And C is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now you find B minus C. B minus C consists of those members of B which are not the member of A. Your set B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus C 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Your B minus C consists of those members of B. 4 is a member of B, but 4 is not a member of C. So B minus C consists of 4. 5 is here, 5 is there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all elements are there and here. So it has only one element. Now you find A intersection B minus C, that is your LHS. That is equal to set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, intersection B minus C 4. That is A intersection B minus C consists of the element 4. This is 1. Now you find A intersection B. A intersection B consists of A's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection B. B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You write their common element. A intersection B is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1. This is 2. Now you find A intersection C. A intersection C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection C. C is 3, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. A intersection C. Common element is 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Now this is 3. Now you find A intersection B minus A intersection C. A intersection B minus A intersection C. A intersection B is 4, 5, 6, 7 minus A intersection C is 3, 5, 6, 7. Now this set consists of those members of A intersection B which are not a member of A intersection C. That is 4. So it is A intersection B minus A intersection C. This is your result number 4. So now you observe result 1 and 4. Observe result 1 and 4. Observe your result 1 and 4. So from 1 and 4 we can write A intersection B minus C is equal to A intersection B minus A intersection C. That's all the verification about this.